Welcome to Math Challenge 315. Study the problem given. The section formula may prove a bit confusing for some students. And, if a line is trisected or divided into several equal parts, the section formula may require to be applied repeatedly. Here is a method to find the coordinates of the points that divide a given line into any number of segments. We shall not use any formula from coordinate geometry chapter, yet, in a single operation, show how we can easily find the coordinates of all the points that divide the line into any number of equal parts. Given a line joining point A, -2, 5, and point B, 7, 8. For illustration, we assume it be trisected at points P and Q. However, the method would be the same for any number of sections. Even if the line is to be divided into 10, 20, or 100 segments, it just requires only a single operation. We shall find out the coordinates of P and Q without using the section formula. In fact, we would not be using any formula from coordinate geometry chapters. Watch this uncommon method. The conventional method, as given in most textbooks, is like this. For point P, use the section formula taking AP is to PB is equal to 1 is to 2. For point Q, use the section formula taking AQ is to QB is equal to 2 is to 1. What will happen if the line AB is divided into 5 sections? Should we calculate using the section formula 5 times? Using ratios 1 is to 4, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 2, and 4 is to 1? And for 10 or 20 sections? Frighteningly tedious. With the method we tell you, just a single operation will suffice. Since the slope is constant, the coordinates of the points A, P, Q, B shall be in arithmetic progression. So let us assume the coordinates as follows. Let the common difference for x coordinate be u, and the common difference for y coordinate be v. Once we know the values of u and v, we shall be able to write all the coordinates without requiring any further computation. For the 4 points from A to B, starting from -2, and with common difference u, the x-coordinates shall be -2 plus u, -2 plus 2u, -2 plus 3u. Similarly, starting from 5, and with common difference v, the y-coordinates shall be 5 plus v, 5 plus 2v, 5 plus 3v. Now we can solve for u and v. So, we get point B, 7, 8 is equal to -2 plus 3u, 5 plus 3v. Equating the values, we get 7 is equal to -2 plus 3u, giving u is equal to 3. Also, 8 is equal to 5 plus 3v, giving v is equal to 1. So x-coordinates would be, in order, -2, 1, 4, 7. And y-coordinates would be, in order, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thus the coordinates are point A, -2, 5. Point P, 1, 6. Point Q, 4, 7. Point B, 7, 8. Even if the join of A, 1, 2, and B, 15, 30, is divided into 7 sections, we can easily find the coordinates of all the points. Taking the increments for x-coordinate and y-coordinate as u and v. The x-coordinates are 1, 1 plus u, 1 plus 2u, 1 plus 3u till 1 plus 7u. The y-coordinates are 2, 2 plus v, 2 plus 2v, 2 plus 3v, till 2 plus 7v. Thus, the point B, 15, 30 is equal to 1 plus 7u, 2 plus 7v. Equating 15 is equal to 1 plus 7u, so u is equal to 2. And 30 is equal to 2 plus 7v, so v is equal to 4. So, for points A to B, x coordinates, increment 2, would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Y coordinates, increment 4, would be 2, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30. Required coordinates, terminals A and B, included 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 10, 7, 14, 9, 18, 11, 22, 13, 26, and 15, 30. See how easy and fast it is.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.